In this video, we will see how to fix if you are trying to install any app from Microsoft Store and downloading speed is very slow. Then here are the fixes. And the first workaround is right click on start button and choose run. And here in run dialog box, type wsreact.exe and click on OK. This will clear your Microsoft Store caches. To clear Microsoft Store caches, use wsreact.exe command in run dialog box and check whether your downloading speed increase or not. If not, go to the next fixes, go to Windows search and type store troubleshoot and open find and fix problems with Microsoft Store apps. Here click on advanced and make the check against options apply repairs automatically and click on next and follow on screen instruction to complete the troubleshooting process. If any issues related to Microsoft Store apps, you will be notified accordingly. And after that, check whether downloading a speed increase or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on start button and choose settings. Here from the left side, go to system settings. From the right side, go to troubleshoot, choose other troubleshooters, and here run network and internet troubleshoot. There may be a possibility of any network issues in your system, so you must run network and internet troubleshoot. The next workaround is sign out and sign in your Microsoft account. Open Microsoft Store app, click on your profile icon and sign out from your Microsoft account and wait few seconds, and after that re-sign in your Microsoft account in Microsoft Store. The next workaround is again go to Windows settings and here go to apps from the left side. Here go to installed apps from the right side and in search field look for store apps. Type store in search field. If you don't find a store app in this section, then scroll down and go to related settings and click on system components. And here scroll down and you will find the Microsoft Store app. Click on three horizontal dot against Microsoft Store and choose advanced options. Here scroll down and you will find the option reset. If the system components is not working right, we can try to repair it. The system components data would not be affected. Choose repair first. And if this system components still is not working right, reset it. The system components data will be deleted. If repair does not work and your downloading speed not increased, then reset Microsoft Store app. This will permanently delete the system components data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details, and choose reset. After that, wait till resetting process complete. After that, close the windows and check whether your issues regarding downloading a speed of Microsoft Store apps very slow is fixed or not. If not, go to the next fixes. The next one is again right click on start button and choose settings. And here from the left side go to network and internet. From the right side click on VPN and make sure that allow VPN over metered connection, allow VPN while roaming. Both features should be disabled, and if you have added any VPN connection to your system, remove it. Thereafter go back and go to proxy settings. Also disable proxy settings in your system. Click on proxy settings and automatically detect settings. Turn the toggle button off and check whether your issues regarding apps downloading speed very slow in Microsoft Store apps. Go to next fixes, right click on start button, choose settings again, and here from the left side go to Windows Update. From the right side, scroll down and choose Advanced Options. Here, scroll down and go to Delivery Optimization settings. Click on it, and here under Downloading options, expand it, and here make the check against option foreground limit as a percent limit how much bandwidth is used for downloading foreground updates, and on this section change the value from 90 to 100 or any value set as 100%, and check your downloading speed of Microsoft Store apps definitely be increased or resolve your issue. That's all.